Hey everybody, Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. I have a Stampin' Show and Tell for you today. I would think most of you have received your holiday catalog and have probably been thumbing through it and marking off what your favorites are. One of my favorites is on page 33. It is the Timeless Tidings and it comes with a project kit. So for this one you can buy the project kit, which makes 20 cards, and if you get the coordinating stamp set, or you could use a stamp set you already have, but this one's meant to be used with it, the coordinating stamp set Timeless Tidings, together it's a $40 purchase, but you're making 20 cards. So that's not bad. And if you bought more project kits, obviously you could make more cards without having to buy the stamp set again. So that's a really great deal, and since it was such a great deal and I really liked the cards that they put in their project kit, I thought I would go ahead and do them for you on the Show and Tell News. So that's what I'm going to do. Starting today, I'm going to do one of each card for you in my Show and Tell, and then by the end of next week you'll have all four that you can watch and follow along with if you too want to get the project kits. Okay, so when you get the project kit, you get the layout, right? You have a picture of each card. You get all the materials to make 5 of each of the cards. So like I said, you're going to make 20 cards. And I have pre-made them. Okay, so I'm going to show you them real quick. So here's this one here, right? We've got this fun embellishment. We've got some gold rhinestones, gold embellishments, and then we're going to stamp our sentiment. That's this one here. Then there's this fun poinsettia card, right? It's got this fun V and this great fabulous poinsettia that's watercolor washed. Then we have the ones with the trees. I always think trees at Christmas time makes it just right. So that's going to be a fun one in green with the trees. Okay, and then the last one is holly that says, hoping beautiful moments and happy memories surround you at this time of year. So I just thought those 4 cards were really fabulous. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I made the first card today, and then like I said, the next few days I'm going to do the next ones. So by next week you'll have the full collection in Stampin' Show and Tells. Okay, so let me go ahead and get started. So like I said, the project kits coordinate with the Timeless Tidings stamp set. Okay, and so the first one we're going to make is the poinsettia card. So when you get it, you just separate out your materials. Okay, so here is the card base that we're going to use for this card. We have our poinsettia piece. Okay, so that's all pre-done for you. We just have to adhere that. Now we also have these gold embellishments that come with the kits, and this one we're going to be using a V embellishment with some scalloped edges on it, okay, and that's a peel and stick, so we'll peel it off in a minute to put it on our card. We've got some green rhinestones that are going to go on this card. You've got your pre-cut gold tab banners that we're going to stamp our greeting on, put that on, and then these beautiful vanilla envelopes with the gold embellishment, but also they're lined with that great stripe that matches and coordinates with the card. So very well put together. I'm very, very happy with them, and they're a really nice quality paper too. So if you want to make a bunch of holiday cards without the stress of the cutting and deciding and designing, these are ready to go. You can make 20 probably in a couple of hours and be really happy with them. So let's go ahead and start our project. So the first thing the instructions are going to tell you to do is to put your gold embellishment on. So I'm going to peel this up nice and easy. Okay, just like that. And it's got a guideline here for you for putting it down. So I'm going to start with my tip, and I'm going to put my tip right on the line, and then I'm just going to go up my 2 sides. Okay? Then we're going to go ahead and snail this piece on. So you do need to have your own adhesive, but I'm sure you, like I, have adhesive in your craft room. Then you're just going to square that up on your card, and that's going to lay right over that gold V embellishment at the bottom. Easy peasy, right? Now, the instructions say to use the basic black ink, Memento black ink, but I decided I wanted to use shaded spruce. So, you know, your card, make it your way. And on this tag, I'm going to stamp the Merry Christmas. Let me just get that inked up. Good to go. Alright, so I'm just going to put this down. It is a tight fit, so I want to make sure I've got the end of mine right at the end of my tag. Stamp that. Perfect. Okay, so now that piece we are going to put on with a dimensional. I'm actually going to use 2 dimensionals. I'm going to pop up the tag. Okay, and then you're just going to position this where you want it on your card. Okay, and then we just come in with some of these fun green rhinestones. Add a little bit of bling to our creation. Right? Look how fast that went together. Now, you know me, we always stamp on the envelopes. So this set has a very nice poinsettia stamp, and I'm just going to stamp that with that same shaded spruce. I'm just going to put it nice and simple in the corner, and there is our card. So look, see how fast that was? What did that take me, like 2 minutes? So really great kits, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the rest of them as well in the next coming days. So if you'd like them, please get them ordered so you have time to put them together and then write all your fun notes in them to your friends and family that you send your holiday cards out to. And remember, you can always order online with me. That would be fabulous. I appreciate the sales. But of course, if you have a demonstrator, please support your local demonstrator who supports you. So that's it for today, guys. I know it's a little short and sweet, but like I said, we've got 4 of these to make, and I hope you enjoy. All right, everybody. Thumbs up, comments below, and you can get the tutorial again on the Show and Tell News next week. All right, everybody. Do some fun stamping today. Bye-bye.